Hey guys, welcome back for another helping of Dr. Tickle Sticks. Today I'm going to go over how to make your very own DIY hookah hose. Okay, so this should cost you about $100 and take less than 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go over the parts that you're going to need. First, you're going to need a 50-foot half-inch Airline hose. Got this off Amazon for about $70. Next, you're going to need two female-to-female half-inch to a quarter-inch adapters. A quarter-inch to 3/8 inch male to female adapter. And lastly, you're going to need a quarter-inch to 3/8 inch male to male adapter. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you guys already have your first stage, your yoke, and then your regulator. I have a Sherwood regulator. It's old, but still works pretty well. Believe it or not, I use this as my octopus on my primary diving set. So I actually just took this off my first stage and just put it on here just for demonstration's sake. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the hose off your first stage. Mine's just hand tightened. You might need a wrench to loosen it up. Okay, so once you got your regulator hose off the first stage, the next thing you're going to do is get that half-inch to a quarter-inch female adapter, that brass adapter, and you're going to screw it on to the end of the hose. You're going to get your 3/8 inch to a quarter-inch male-to-male adapter here, and you're going to put this at the end of the hose, just like this. Okay, this is what goes into the first stage. Okay, so you can get your first stage, and you're just going to screw that in. Okay, so next you're going to get the other brass fitting. Again, that's the half-inch to a quarter-inch female adapter. And then you're going to get the other quarter-inch to 3/8 inch adapter and put that at the end. Just like that. Next, you're going to attach that to your regulator. And that's it. Okay, so here's the finished product all set up. Now, one thing I didn't mention that I think is important is that you're more than likely going to need some sort of Teflon tape on these connectors, okay? So you see I got one right here and then another one right here. So the air can actually start to leak at these points, and also down here as well. So put some Teflon tape there. If you have some leaks, that should take care of it. So let's just turn it on. Go slow. And no leaks. Let's take a few swigs here. Thank you for watching. The parts will be listed in the description below. Until next time. Subscribe. Do it. Go ahead.